Have you found the house of your dreams and you haven't been able to sell the house you have? A bridge loan might be the best solution. Sellers, if there are multiple offers, are usually going to place a contingent offer at the bottom of the stack, because if they still have to bet on getting your house listed on the market and then having that go pending and then having the other buyer's loan go through in order to get their money, there's just way too many things that can happen and way more risk. So they're going to choose an offer that does not have that type of contingency. So the solution for not going contingent but using that equity without selling your house right away is a transition loan product called a bridge loan. A bridge loan is a short-term loan, usually 6 or 12 months, and it's bridging the gap between your old house and your new one. They take the equity out of your old house and they use it towards your down payment on your new one. After your primary house or the house you were living in sells, you take that amount and you pay off the bridge loan, and then you roll into that 30-year fixed mortgage. Most of the time, buyers will qualify for this type of a loan product as long as they've owned the house long enough or they have enough equity in it. It's going to give you a stronger offer. It's going to place you higher above other offers if there's multiple offers, and it will give you a shot at the house if you really want it.